What's up? John L. Brown, Bar Home. We're going to make a really simple cocktail for you, the daiquiri, that really gets abused. This is not a frozen daiquiri, it's based off the classic recipe, which I swear it is so good. It's actually so good that you could just make a whole pitcher of it and probably drink the whole thing, which I would not recommend to do. A little different here, and there's really only 3 ingredients. So you have a simple syrup. I know this says Virgil cane, but it's actually, I ran out of bottles, so I had to put my simple syrup in here, which I made from bananas and blueberries and sugar and water. That's what it is. It boils for about, or simmers for about 15-20 minutes. It's amazing. It tastes so good. And then we have our rum. So right here I use Blanco rum, but what I did here, and you might see it's a little cloudy, there's actually a couple pieces floating on it too. What I did here is I took 500 milliliters of this rum, and then I added 200 milliliters of coconut oil to it. And then I shook it every 15 minutes for about 2 hours, and then I strained off the coconut oil. And so now I have this coconut oil infused rum, which is awesome. And then right here we have lime juice. And you'll notice that this lime juice is very clear. It's because I clarified it. We'll do that in a different video. It's an interesting process. It's actually very easy, but it's kind of messy, but it's fun because when you make a drink with clarified lime juice or any sort of clarified juice, it's perfectly clear. You don't get all that cloudiness that you see in other drinks. So here we go. Very, very simple. So we're going to start with a base spirit. So the coconut oil infused rum, you got 2 ounces of this. It's about like noon, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to have to go give this to my wife, Kim, to drink. I think she's up there taking a test on what hopefully is not that important. And then we're going to take a ½ ounce of the blueberry banana simple syrup. There we go. Add that in there. And then we're going to take a ½ ounce of the lime juice. So 3 ingredients, very simple. So if you were just to do this at home and you don't have all these fancy concoctions that I made, it's just 2 ounces of rum, ½ ounce of the lime juice, ½ ounce of simple syrup, whether it's simple syrup, Demura syrup, however you want to do it. We're going to add a couple ice cubes in here to shake it with. There we go. 1. Okay, I'm just going to use my hands, guys. Don't tell Kim I did that. Then we're going to shake it up. There we go. Take that off. Here we go. Serve it in a Nick and Nora glass. No garnish. There's no need for this. Look how beautiful that is. And I'm telling you, it is so tasty. You could drink this in less than 30 seconds. So right there you have it. This is the classic daiquiri, done with a little John L. Brown flair. I don't know, what do you think we ought to call this thing? The banana berry daiquiri? The banana berry brown daiquiri? I don't know. But there it is. Okay guys, hope you have a great day. John L. Brown, Bar Home. I'm out of here.